One of the most important things in looking at a birth injury case is, was it preventable? And looking to see from a medical standpoint if it could have and should have been avoided.
We're looking at what has happened before the child was born, so prenatal records and tests that may have been performed before the child was born. We look at the birth records as well to see if there's indication that the child was having some sort of difficulty at birth, whether it be recordings of contractions, whether it be recordings of test results, oxygen level, things like that that occurred during the birth. And we look at records of the child while the child is in the hospital to see if there's any clue, if there's any evidence there that would say that the child was injured by a mistake by a medical professional.
In a birth trauma situation, it is an injury that affects not just the child, not just the injured person, but a whole family. And the child now demands attention and services and care, usually around the clock, so that families don't get breaks anymore. So the victims in these cases are not just the child, but the whole family, and how it affects the parents as well as the siblings. We've handled many birth injury claims, and we help families to get the resources they need, such as vans and wheelchairs, and maybe most importantly is aides to come in and relieve the parents so that it's not 24 hours, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. That they get the resources and the help and the school intervention that help them raise the best child they can with these disabilities. And that is extremely valuable to these families.